What's going on? Derek out here with another video. We back at it. Man, we've been off the last 2 days out here in Memphis. Today, Thursday. And we're gonna get out here today. I'm about to knock some of this ice off of this truck. Man, we done had ice and everything around here today. Around these last couple days. Let me show this ice on this truck, man. I'm about to wipe it off here. Knock it off, man. I got the smallest scraper, man, I can get. I ain't got an 18-wheeler scraper. Man, I got the little scraper out my car, man. I'm gonna have to go and do something with it, man. Make it do what it do. I'm telling you now, man. Oh, no, I'm gonna have to crank that back up. Man, cut my heat on blast, man. High. Man, stay tuned, man. Let me knock some of this ice off of this thing, man, and see what's up. Man, let me get it, man. I gotta knock some of this ice off of this thing, man. Man, let me get to this windshield. You gonna need this scraper. You gonna need this in a minute. Ridiculous. Man, let me see what's going on, man. Where my hammer at? I get my hammer, man. Knock some of this ice off around here. And I almost failed a couple times out here already. Man, let's get it, man. I'm about to hook these doubles up. Hook my dolly up and everything. Look like I'm gonna have to knock some of this ice off, man. Got a lot of ice on these dollies and everything out here too. Man, it's finna be ugly. Man, knock that ice off of there, man. Now let's go hook up to something. Heavier than it already is. Took a while, but I got everything done. Man, just trying to take my time, man. Make sure I got everything hooked up and I don't forget nothing. I don't want to have to go back and do nothing. I'm out of here, man. Let's go see what it look like down at Prescott. Man, I'll be back when I get down there. Yes, sir. Man, made it down here to Prescott. Ooh, kind of cold down here, too. Last week, man, it wasn't that cold down here in Prescott. It is today. Don't look like they got no ice down here, but it's starting to rain. Got a lot of drivers pulling in over here. Like I went on my meat guy. Already unhooked my trailers and everything. I had to jump out because it was raining. I'm going to do my walk around right quick. Man, look at this lot, man. It's ridiculous. I'm telling you now. Man, that's the worst thing about coming over here, man. But hey, it's all good, man. Hopefully no accidents or nothing when I get back. Oh yeah, keep on driving up there over there. Got my meal prep today. Man, I'm gonna go over here and heat my food up in this truck stop. And wait on my meat guy. He said he was having a problem with his truck. I had the same problem last week, man. The truck wouldn't go over 55 miles an hour. Ain't nothing you can do. Nothing you can do, man. I think it's with the deaf. Oh, he look like he's pulling up now. Oh, he good to go. So that's what's up. Man, I'm gonna swap these trailers out and I'm gonna head back to Memphis, man. We get out this rain. It's all good, man. Oh yeah, my meat guy, he's pulling in over there. I thought he was gonna be a while. Trailer, one end dropped low in this hole right there. There's a hole with some water in it, but I got it right though. It took me for a minute, man, but I'm good. Let me hook this up. I'm good to go. bills at. Okay. Got my bills, man. It's on and popping, man. I mean, I'll hook these trailers, man, so I can get out of here. Man, I don't know what's the temperature, man, but it gotta be about 30 degrees out here. Yes, sir, man. I'm back. Man, I got my fuel in my truck. Man, everything all good, man. The roads out there was looking good. Man, there's a lot of trucks in the medians out there, man. You know what I mean? I couldn't record it while I was driving or whatever, man. But it's still trucks in the median, man. Trucks, jackknife, all over the place out there on I-40, man. That's why I always say, man, drivers be safe out there, man. If it's ice and snow, man, you might as well just park, man. You know what I mean? No need to hurt yourself. You know, that's the main thing, man. Just get home safe, man. Derek out with another video. Peace out, drivers.
Like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Wait, we didn't say